everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. So let's start our topic, beta. In previous video we have discussed about safety and first aid. And I have told you the meaning of safety. So can you tell me the meaning of safety? So I am telling here the state of being safe. The state of being safe means safety. What is first aid? First aid, an immediate help given to an injured person, is called as first aid. First aid means, beta, if a person gets hurt during an accident or any injury, so the first help that we are giving to him, that is called as first aid. In that, suppose if he is bleeding, so we have to stop his bleeding first, and after that we have to take him to the hospital. So that is called as first aid. Now here today I am telling you about some tips, first aid tips for cuts and wounds. First of all, you should know the meaning of cut and wound. What is cut? Means whenever your skin have a small cut, it's basically gets struck by the floor or by any sharp object, so that is called as cut. And the deep cut is basically called as wound. So which kind of tips we should give to an injured person if he is getting an injury? The first point, wash the cut or wound under running water. Means it is very, very important if a person gets an injury, so we should wash the affected area first. Second, clean the cut or wound with an antiseptic lotion. We should clean the wound with antiseptic lotion. What is antiseptic lotion here? What is the meaning of antiseptic? Antiseptic means it's a substance. This basically kills the germs which is present in the affected area. Means if a person gets a cut or if he is having any affected area, so in that very soon the germs will start to grow, means present there. So we are using it to basically kill them. So it's a substance which is used to kill the germs. So we should clean the wound with antiseptic lotion. Third, now tie a bandage around the wound. Means you can use a band-aid also if a person bleed, or on a small cut you can use a band-aid, or you can use anything to tie it over it so that the bleed can stop. Now next point is, until the hospital arrives, if a doctor arrives, till then an injured person should relax. You should not make crowd around him. He should be relaxed till the doctor comes. So these are the points which we have to follow, which we should keep in mind if we are giving any first aid to any injured person. Okay, beta. Now next is first aid box. What do you mean by first aid box? First aid box means a box which basically contains cotton, crepe bandage, Dettol, antiseptic lotion, scissors, medicines, and there are many things which we are keeping in first aid box to cure a injured person. So a box, these things we keep, that is called as first aid box, which is very, very essential to keep this, and a doctor or a person who basically help to an injured person, he should have this. And I think you are also having at your home. If you are not having, so you should make your own first aid box as a activity. So in previous class, beta, we have discussed about some points. Let's revise those. We will revise these points again. Which kind of safety rules we should follow at home? We have read about do not play with fire or any gas stove. Means you should not play with fire or any burning things because you may get burned. So you should be very, very careful. Do not play with sharp objects like knives, blades, and any sharp objects because you may get cut on your skin and you can have bleeding on your hand. So you should be very careful. Do not touch electric wire or any electrical gadgets or plug with your wet hand because you may get an electric shock. So you should be very, very careful. Now What are the safety rules which we follow at school? Do not play with each other. Do not play and do not push each other. You should play, but you should not hit anyone, because you may get fall or your friend would get fall. So you should be very, very careful. Do not play with pointed objects like pen, pencil, and you should not place these things in your nose or in your ear, because you may get harm. So you should be very, very careful. Apart from it, you should not jump on benches or on your chair or on teacher's desk during absence of teacher. You should be very, very careful. So these are the safety rules which you follow in the classroom or in your school. And whenever you are in playground, so that time also you should be very careful, because in playground, if you are swinging and if your friend is standing in front of you, so you can hit your friend. So it is very, very important to see others also, and you should be careful regarding that. Next, we have to read about the safety rules which we follow on the road. This is very important. Always you should walk on footpath. Do you know the meaning of footpath? What is the meaning of footpath? It's a path on the side of a road where pedestrians walk. That is called as footpath. And this path basically used by pedestrian. What do you mean by pedestrian? Pedestrian means the person who basically walk with their foot. They are called as pedestrian. Now cross the road at the zebra crossing. What is zebra crossing? The white and black strips over the road by which the people cross the road. That is called as zebra crossing. Next is cross the road through a subway or a footbridge. What is the meaning of subway here, and what is the meaning of footbridge here? The meaning of subway. Subway is a tunnel under a road which is used by a pedestrian to walk. So that is called as subway. And footbridge, it's a bridge designed for used by pedestrian. This is also used by pedestrian. Subway also used by pedestrian, and footpath is also used by pedestrian. So children, today in homework you have to write these word meaning, and right now I am going to explain these. After that I would send you a pic. With the help of that pic you can write these word meanings and you have to learn these. So let's revise these first. What is subway? I have told you already. So what is subway? It's a tunnel under a road by which pedestrians walk. Footbridge, it's a bridge designed for use by pedestrian. First aid, it's an immediate help given to an injured person. Antiseptic, the substance which is used to kill the germs, is called antiseptic. So now let's recall all the points again. What is first aid? Bang dose.